So the things you repeat each time for each sentence, as you will have seen in the David Rose video. First of all, sentence preparations in simple words. You say the first sentence tells us, the next sentence shows us, third sentence. So it's a good idea, of course, make a note here to, and I've made this note on subsequent presentations, is to number each sentence. Read the sentence around. Read the sentence aloud. You say, look at the sentence as I read it so the students follow it with you. You position of each word followed by the preparation. You say first it tells us, then it tells us, at the end of the sentence it says. Focus questions for learners to find the wording. Can you see his name? Can you tell me what kind of person he was? What was she holding? She did this, then what did she do next? So they can identify the word in the sentence. As you'll see, this is a method of teaching that involves the students, and after a while, the participants are much more comfortable to be involved because it's a non-threatening. You're not asking them questions that they have to make up the answers from their mind. You're asking questions that they can read in the text in front of them. And that makes, I've found that makes it much more comfortable for students to participate. And then after students, and this is very important because one of the things in teaching, particularly at university level, is we very rarely say to a student who gives us an answer, well done, that was good. I like the way you're thinking. And I think all of us, myself included, if you do something and somebody says thank you, it just makes it that much more worthwhile, and it's very, very nice to be affirmed. So here we go. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening to this particular presentation. Your affirmations, yes, that's right, well done, excellent, brilliant, perfect. You have your own terms, and over the practice and listening to how other people affirm each other or affirm students, you'll pick up some affirmations that I think are very nice to use and of course use them.